Okay, Hector and Finlay, here is your Christmas morning present, your science experiment. You're going to learn a bit about trebuchets, which are medieval siege machines. So, this is my trebuchet, or your trebuchet now. So you've got one there, and another one just here. And if you notice, the arms are different lengths, and that means they fire differently. Now, to fire these, you pull it back. Watch out for the spike. You don't want to spike your eye. Well, you might want to spike your eye, but anyway, you pull it back and then let go, and it does that. Now, obviously, that's not firing anything, which is where these things come in. And there's a little loop on the end. If I can find the loop and hold the camera, right, little loop of fishing wire. And if I can do this one-handed, the loop goes over there and it rests just in that little bend. So when I let go, notice it's going to fly up. So you're going to use this to bash castles or cans or whatever you want to do. Have fun. So there are 3 different size projectiles that you've got. You've got small ones, you've got middle-sized ones, and you've got big ones, and there are 2 of each, so don't lose them. So each one comes with a little hook on it. I don't know if you can see that, a little loop, and the loop goes on to here. So let's set one up and show you. Let's get a small one, pull it back, so you put it on the hook so it hangs like that. And let's see if we can hit the Kellogg's box. Just missed. Let's try another small one. Oh, close. Let's try a middle-sized one. Yes! So this one has a much longer arm, so I'm going to see if that makes a difference. Firing the same small size ball. Move the camera back a little bit so it'll get biffed. And oh, close. Let's try a heavier ball with that one. No, that one's rubbish. So you have different lengths of arms. If I take that one out, I can put a shorter arm in and fire so not firing as far. So that's what you're experimenting with. Now I'm going to build a small structure on the chair and I've got to try and destroy it now. Yay! So next target, I'm going to try and land some of the projectiles into the box. So target shooting. So I'm going to line it up. Rubbish. Let's try this one. Got one in. Two in. See if we can get 3 in. Too far. Okay, Finlay and Hector and Alex and Gemma, that's your job. So you have 2 trebuchets to play with, you've got a few balls to play with, and you've got some different sticks and a couple of half-metre sticks if you want to measure the distances. So I am firing this at about 2.5 metres, and there's the two that landed in the pot. Have fun. Happy Christmas.